Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to study intersecting loci. So what we should know, intersecting loci are loci which obey several conditions. So for example, we are told in the KCSE 2021 Mathematics Paper 2 number 12 that the figure below shows triangle XYZ. So we have the triangle here, XYZ. Then we are told now using a ruler and a pair of compasses to locate a point M on the triangle such that M is 2 centimeters from line YX and is equidistant from lines XY and YZ. So what we should know again, if we are told to construct a locus of points which are at a given distance from a given straight line, for example, M is 2 centimeters from line XY. Therefore, the locus of M is a straight line which is parallel to YX and 2 centimeters away. Therefore, the locus of M, the first condition is 2 centimeters away from line YX, which means a line parallel to XY should be constructed. Therefore, that line which is parallel to XY and is in the triangle should be drawn. And to draw a parallel line, I'm first of all going to elongate this line at that point, and also the other one here, so that we first of all raise some perpendicular lines here, such that starting at X, we can get a perpendicular line. Can get a perpendicular line here. Remember to subscribe to this channel as we continue constructing together. Therefore, this one is going to give us a perpendicular line. I'll use incomplete lines because it is not the intended loci. So we can raise a perpendicular line there. And again, starting at Y, we raise another perpendicular line. Another perpendicular line. Another perpendicular line on this side. So we stand at, after making the two arcs, we stand at one of the arcs and we make an arc. Then standing on the other arc, we cut the first arc such that the intersection of the arc now gives the mark we want. So another perpendicular line can be raised here. There's another perpendicular line. So now when we take the measurement of 2 centimeters, the measurement of 2 centimeters, and we stand at Y, we can mark on that perpendicular line. Standing at X, we mark again the perpendicular, such that now when we join the two marks, we will get a line which is perpendicular to YX. So the line at those marks will be perpendicular to YX. So this is a line which can give us the locus of M. So that is the locus of all the points which are 2 centimeters away from YX. Again, M is also satisfied by a locus of points which are equidistant from lines YX and YZ. YX and YZ. This means a locus of points which are equidistant from two lines is the angle bisector of the line, or the angle bisector of the angle made by the two lines. So when we bisect this angle here, we'll get the locus of points which are equidistant from this line and also this line. Therefore, we can bisect the angle. And to bisect the angle, we stand at Y and we make two arcs, a mark here and another one here. Then we enlarge the radius, and standing at the first mark, we make an arc, and standing at the second one, we make an arc to cut the first one. Such that now, when we join wire to that intersection of the arc, we are going to get a straight line. This straight line is the locus again of point M, such that alongside that line, points are equidistant from yx and yz. Therefore, the two lines now are intersecting, and the point of intersection is the required point, so they are intersecting here. So intersecting chords, the intersecting loci, are made by the locus of points at a given distance from a line and the locus of points which are equal from two given lines, and they are given by a parallel line from the said line and an angle bisector of the lines which have been stated. So that is how we get the two chords, the two loci intersecting. So thank you for following. Subscribe and share the link with your friends.